Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy TYT, and y'all are in TYT's garage, man. As y'all can see, I got that boy out. So I got the engine out. The other one's over there. So, man, I just had to just come and do it. I've been thinking about this for weeks and days, and because I went on vacation, like when I unhooked all the wire harness and everything. But I got it out, y'all. You know, I'm gonna just make this a quick, fast video, update video of what I'm doing out here, just for whoever's interested can see. You know, because I realize I have a few people watching my channel, even though it's not a lot. I mean, still people watching. So, but I got the engine out. Um, you know, I always got to cut myself and stuff. I mean, I put some Neosporin on my finger. You can't even tell, but my hands is all dirty. Man, I was at the junkyard when I got the other engine, and I was like, man, I should have brought my gloves. I'm realizing I ain't got no gloves, man, but I haven't bought none in so long. You know, I'm just used to having stacks in my drawer and just grabbing grabbing some. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing out of here because it's just that tall. It's up over the thing though. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this over the counter, and I'm gonna holler at y'all a little bit, man. TYT, and I'm on my way. All right, y'all. So I'm wrapping up for the night. I know I just started the video, but um, man, I don't really have much to do to finish this thing up. It's just slap the engine back in. But I do got to take the alternator off of the old one and put it on the other one. Also, the alternator and then the manifold. You know, the part on the back where you hook the exhaust and all that up to. It was different on the other engine, so I have to put the old one onto that one. And then we should be ready to throw this boy back in or into the car. You know, fingers crossed this was a running driving car that it came from, but I'm starting to notice that it's a few sensors missing off of here too. So it's a sensor back here at the bottom. It's like right there. It's that one. And then it's a sensor. I'll just show you this one on the front. But it's this one right here. I think that's like the crankshaft sensor or something like that. You know, so change that one. Change those couple of things. Put the thing back on. What else? And then it should be ready to go back in, man. I'm just not doing it tonight. I got everything all set up, ready to go. I have coolant spilled all up under here, so I'm gonna clean that up at a later date. As y'all can see, I got the cat litter, the absorbent cat litter under there, man. But I meant to pick up this camera, y'all, like hours ago, but I didn't. So, man, I hope y'all liked the video for what it was. Thanks for checking me out. If you did, just leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. Show your boy some love. Just a quick little video update of me taking a Dodge and putting in, swapping out the engine. You know, this is from a guy that works 60 plus hours a week. So, you know, I'll be back at it when I'm at it. Probably next Monday. You know, because I'm starting to get back financially where I'm used to being at. So, just like, share, comment, subscribe, man. I'm holler at y'all on the next one.